Hello everyone. I am glad to have an opportunity to update you on the PGE second quarter results and the key takeaways. I would like to stress that recent half a year was full of developments, both from the management perspective as well as from the market and regulatory environment. After taking over the CEO position, my management team and myself committed to prepare the company for the coming years of shifting market conditions. Hard work and thorough analysis of the market environment resulted in updating PGE's strategy for the period of 2014-2020. A lot has already been said about it, but I will raise most important aspects and then take you to the drivers of the currently reported period. Four most important pillars of the company's strategy are strengthening its generation position with diversified portfolio and providing for a long-term competitive advantage in the market, becoming preferred and reliable supplier of electricity, improving efficiency of operations to become the most efficient group in Poland, and last but not least, to identify and pursue business development opportunities. To achieve those ambitious but well-thought-through targets, we intend to invest roughly 50 billion of Polish zlotys that will be allocated to the business segments with share comparable to its current contribution to our EBITDA. A quarter is to be invested in our distribution grid, improving quality service and increasing asset base remunerated in the tariff. Close to one-third will be spent on modernizations and environmental upgrades of our current fleet. We also intend to spend the next third of the budget for growth, both into flagship conventional generation projects such as Opole and Turów, but also expanding our renewables fleet. To do that, we need to have access to capital, besides strong cash generation of our own. Providing a very healthy balance sheet of the company, we decided to move quickly and exploit excellent market conditions to secure funds for upcoming capex. PGE issued Eurobonds at a very attractive price and conditions, setting up a great benchmark for future needs. Now I will come back to the Q2 results to briefly introduce you to the numbers and highlight the main drivers. Namely, consolidated EBITDA in Q2 amounted to 2.9 billion Polish zlotys, with highest contribution from conventional generation segment, which is 2.1 billion, and distribution close to 600 million. Renewables contributed with almost 100 million. Combined segments of wholesale and supply businesses delivered 20 million. There were a number of non-recurring items that impacted our results with a total value of 1.5 billion, including long-term contract compensation revenues, free carbon allowances granted to PGE, as well as unwinding of provisions resulting from the changing cost of money. Recurring EBITDA in the second quarter amounted to 1.4 billion. Important to note is that from the operating perspective, we are exactly in the place where we expected to be. Net output of 13.1 terawatt-hours. Volumes of the production reflect availability and the performance of our fleet after significant decommissions we made last year, and while we are running important modernization projects. Wholesale electricity price realized was lower, but given our fuel mix, we maintained healthy margins in the generation. Distribution contributes to the bottom line as planned. We commenced flagship investments, namely Opole units construction started with first milestones achieved. Contract for Turów unit was signed. We also continue to focus on cost management. Savings program is already contributing to the result. Competition on the supply market resulted in a margin erosion that we will have to face and tackle, given market inertia. That is an important exercise for the coming months. Looking ahead to the second half of the year, we will continue our efforts to streamline the group and foster operations. Our key initiatives will be creating one tax group of PGE, continue SAP implementation, and consolidation of non-core services. PGE Group is very well positioned to deliver both long-term strategy objectives and to tackle market challenges in the coming months, and that's what my team and me myself will be focusing on. Thank you very much, and I am already looking forward to Q3 results in mid-November to update you on further developments in the company.